Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing very well. Today I have this bronzy cut crease eye makeup look, and this is perfect for anyone with small lids like mine or unequal lids, because for me personally, I have one lid that is kind of like double lid. It has like an extra crease, it seems. Anyways, but if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Let's get started. I'm going to start off by applying concealer to my lids to clean up under my brows and as a primer for the eyeshadow. I'll set my lids with loose powder using my fingertip and a brush to create a smooth canvas. For today's look, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette, and I'm going in with the shade Twig for my transition. And I'm just focusing that in the crease of my eye using a crease eyeshadow brush. Using another crease brush, I'm going to pick up this deeper brown shade, Dystopian, and focus that in the outer corners of my crease to give this look some depth. One important trick to avoid overcrowding your eyes with your eyeshadow would be to imagine a triangular shape and keeping the shadow within the lines of that triangle. Doing so will prevent your shadow touching the area underneath your brow bone. For people with small lids or eye space, I find this helps to give an illusion of a bigger lid and space above the lid. Now it's time to cut the crease. I'm going in with the concealer again on an angled brush to carefully outline where that cut crease will be and will be apparent on my lids. Using small strokes, I'm just slowly defining that crease. Make sure to constantly check straight in the mirror to see if you're achieving your desired cut crease. As I mentioned, one of my eyes has this extra bit of crease, which ends up making one of my cut creases smaller than the other one, but when my eyes are open, it looks equal. I've cut my crease and am ready to apply my base shadows. So for today's look, I'll use this shade in the palette called Birch and apply that onto my lid. As I'm doing so, I'm slowly bringing it up towards my defined crease. I'm picking up this shade Cinder from the palette and applying it on top of the Birch shade. Now I have my base, my defined cut crease, and my transition shade. To highlight that cut crease, I'm using the Rimmel Wonderswipe 2-in-1 liner called 003 Ballin. Looking downwards into the mirror, I'm going to outline the cut crease I created, making sure to check if it's visible when I'm looking straight ahead. So that's it for this eye as far as eyeshadows go, and I'm just going to quickly do the same on the other eye. Next, I'm going to use the Morphe Gel Liner to start the wings of my liner. This is also going to help with understanding where the black liner meets the glitter liner. Then I'll use a liquid liner to line my eyes, using small strokes to ensure I don't over apply. I'll use this Morphe lip pencil in the shade Dark Room to tightline my eye. Tightlining gives the liner a seamless finish. Use a black eyeliner pencil if you have one. I personally prefer to use the lip liner because I find it's a creamier formula that doesn't smudge. I use the Morphe Hollywood Hills lashes to enhance the look. And this is the subtle bronzy glitter crease eye look. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment below what you'd like to see next or any feedback. I would love to hear from you. And that's about it. Until next time, stay you, stay beautiful. Bye, my loves.